I'm often asked, how do we make sure we have enough iron and protein in a whole foods plant-based diet? The answer is simple. By making sure you eat a variety of foods, including fresh fruit, vegetables, legumes, beans, it is easy to make sure you're hitting all your key nutrients. If you do choose to eat meat, focus on limiting your red meats and mainly consuming lean protein like fish, chicken, and turkey. This can go a long way in controlling your cholesterol. And if you're like me and need more vitamin D, get outside and exercise.